The other one in the other eye. Oh my god, it fell. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know quarantine is still going on, but we're going to do something very fun. I was like, what kind of makeup should I do today? I was just sitting here thinking, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to do like a neon eye look, but like do two different tones of color. So on one eye I want to do like a neon, like pinkish, and then the other eye I'm gonna do like a yellow neon, which I'm very excited about. So I'm basically gonna sit down and just do my makeup and have fun. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went on and I did my brows off camera, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. Normally I do my face, but I've been doing something different today and I'm gonna start with my eyes. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their eye primer. I'm going to be using this as a base because I kind of do, like I said, want my eyes to stand out and be very neon. So we're going to be using this on both of the eyes and just kind of packing it there. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and start with my eye, which is pink. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Norvina Volume 2, and we're going to go in with D3, this shade right over here. We're going to blow everything out. It's going to be very blown out. Like, it's not that it's going to be, like, messy, but it's not going to be, like, you know, clean either. So I just really want it to be, like, a very blown out pink eye look for one eye. I'm basically packing the product there and then kind of sweeping it out so we can kind of get like a nice smoky pink eye. Not like a real pink eye, but you know, a smoky. Next, I am going to go in with the same D3 and I'm basically going to pack it on the lid. And I'm just doing it packing. I'm not really blending it out because, I mean, it's already kind of blended into the same color. My lids are going to be so stained with this eye color, but anything for the look. I know this look is not really going to be for everybody. I understand that. But since I'm just sitting here doing nothing in the house, I was like, you know what? My laundry's doing its thing right now. So I was like, you know what? I can just sit down and do some makeup. So that's what I'm doing. So now we're going to go in with another side of the eye. We're going to go in with a different brush so we can get some of that yellow, but I just gotta find that perfect one. Of any product I have here, it's like a little bit of yellow there, so I'm just gonna use this. And we're gonna go in with the same color. I am gonna mix it a little bit with the A2. So I'm gonna go in with this one and mixing it with this because that's a little bit too yellow for me and I want it to be a little bit more neon. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of pack it on the eyelid. Then I'm basically just packing on the eyelid and then I'm blending it outwards. I am going to try to find a fluffy brush that isn't dirty. Which, by the way, I need to wash my brushes. I know I said that in my last video. And, oh my god. Also, I do want to say that I did do my brows off camera. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I did. But I do have a tutorial of how I did my brows. And I will link it up here. I don't know which side it is. But I will link it up here if you guys want to check it out. I basically show you guys how I do my brows now and how I just kind of found a way to do my brows because I feel like I never really knew what I was doing with my brows. I always kind of had like a love-hate thing and I still kind of do, but I managed to find one. This is really cute. So I'm just like packing it on there. This, honestly, I feel like this look is going to be easy for anybody to recreate, to be honest. It's not going to be hard. So just wanted to let you guys know just in case you guys were planning to recreate this. Also, I do want to say if you guys don't have the ABH primer, you guys can use any white base like that. The colors could stand out because if you use kind of like a concealer, it's not going to work. So it might like change the color just a little bit. But you guys can do concealer. Just try to find like a really light one. So like that, you guys can kind of make sure that the color stands out a lot. Of course, I'm going to be going in with my neon lashes that I had used. Like I said, if you guys have not seen the video where I colored my lashes, I do, and I have a video, and I will link it up here for you guys to watch it. And I also put the links in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and watch that and see how I did it. I had done these with water-activated paints, but I'm going to show you guys right now how you guys can do a different way. I had gotten this idea from another girl. I forgot her name. I think it's like Raggedy Doll. I'm not sure what's her name, but I'll link it up here and I'll put a picture of her so you guys can see. And she kind of showed a technique. A lot of people actually know that she's the one that's kind of started doing this technique. I think I have seen either other people do it too, but I'm not sure. But I'm going to show you guys here in the video how she also did it, because I'm going to be doing that on my regular lashes so you guys can see. So right now I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is their primer. And we're going to be kind of putting this on our lashes. And we're going to be using this and we're going to coat our lashes with the same color that we used on our eyelids. We're going to be using this on our lashes. So this is what's going to do. It's going to coat your lashes into a white base, and then you're going to go in with the same shadow, like I said. We're going to go in with D3, which is that pink one. And we're going to pack it onto our lashes. I would recommend you waiting to dry, but I mean, this is like a different way for you to color your own lashes. And I would recommend using like a packing brush, because I am using like this fluffy brush. But, you know, as you can tell, it's kind of coloring it there. I do want to say, just be careful that the pigment doesn't go in your eye, because that will happen. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye with the yellow. You can tell it colored my lashes. As you can see, it kind of blends in with my eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the lashes. I'm only going to be doing one of the lashes here, and then the other one in the other eye. Oh my god, it fell! Oh my god, this is looking so freaking cool. Okay, so I ended up adding the lashes. Now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the face and then continue with the eyes. So I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay, the All Nighter Primer. We're gonna go ahead and prime our face with this. I might have like two different kinds of lashes. You guys can't see, but I do have different kinds of lashes. They're not the same style. It's a little bit longer here, but anyways. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty right here. And we're going to go ahead and put this on our face. I am in the shade 260, just in case you guys are wondering. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tap this all over. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. I'm going to go in with this one. This is in the shade 4NN. And I'm going to go ahead and conceal under the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with my Beauty Blender. Okay, now that my face is basically kind of done, we're going to go back to the eyes. D3 shade and basically packing the shadow under the eye. And right now I'm going to go ahead and smoke it out with the other brush that I was using. We're going to go in with that and we're going to blend that out. And with the clean brush, this is the other side of the Anastasia brush that I am using. With the clean side, we're going to go ahead and just kind of clean the edges up a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh, because it kind of got a little crazy there. So we're going to just go ahead and blend that out. And with the same brush that I was using with my yellow eye, we're going to go in with the D4 and A2, which is that lime green and that yellow. And we're going to pack that under the eye. Now I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup, my Kush Primer, and prime the lashes on the bottom. And we're just kind of creating this white coat. Okay, now that we have like a base for our eyes, we're going to go in with the Suva Beauties. These are their Hydra Liners. I'll be using this to kind of coat my lower lashes on the bottom. That's how I did my lashes on the fake lashes. That's what I did on them, and that's why they look like this. I basically did like a white coat and then I painted them over. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pink. You activate it with water. You basically wet the product and then you kind of soak it in a little bit with water there. So we're going to go ahead and apply this on the bottom of the lashes here. We're going to go in with the yellow. The pink one, it is called, if you guys are wondering, from the Suva Beauty. These are Scrunchy. And the yellow one, it is called Dance Party, just in case you guys are wondering. I think they have these available on the Morphe site as well, if you guys are wondering. Or you guys can get it on their own website. But yeah, I really love these. Like, these are amazing. And they're activated under the black light. They glow. So imagine if you're going for like a neon party and you guys want to try to use something like this, your eyes will glow. We're gonna go ahead and apply this on this eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with my Benefit Hula Bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. We're gonna go ahead and bronze our face with this. I have this little brush from them and it's like super cute. I mean, if you're trying to do like a really tight contour, I would recommend getting like a smaller brush. but this is really, really nice. For my blush, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay. This is their threesome palette. I'm gonna go in with this one because it's like a really nice peachy color, which I love so, so much. And basically gonna have like really, really peachy, blushy look. This, I'm kind of going crazy today, so we're gonna go in with a lot of blush today. Want to make sure that you blend it in with the bronzer. A little crazy, guys, but it's fun. It's just for fun, you know. I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally not going anywhere. I'm gonna go in with the Sunkissed. This is a Lime Crime Sunkissed freckle pen, which I have been obsessed with lately. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of freckles. And I like to blend it in with the same bronzer brush that I had used for my bronzer. I like to go in and kind of like tap it in there so it kind of blends in, because I don't want it to be like too noticeable. Well, I kind of do want it to be a little noticeable, but you know what I'm saying, just kind of hide it in, and it kind of makes it a little bit more like natural somehow, because I do have freckles. I always say that because I don't want people to come at me, but I do have freckles, so I kind of wanted to just, you know, I look like I got sunburned. It's cute. Now, since we're basically kind of done, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of highlighter today. I'm going to go ahead and set my face because I feel like once I set my face, it just looks better. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay setting spray now. We're going to go ahead and set our face. Now I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup. This is their Flex highlighter, and this is in the shade Lit. So we're going to go ahead and add that once my setting spray kind of like dries down a little bit, because I like to do that now. I like to kind of like, well, I've always kind of liked doing that, where I kind of like put the setting spray and then set my face and then let it sit a little bit. Once it gets a little bit dry, I like to go in with my highlighter. It kind of gives it more like of a wet look. And yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. And I don't know if you guys have been doing that, but I have. Let me know what you guys think of the look down below, because I love it. It's very artistic and nice and fun. I know I'm not the first one to do this, where like it's like, you know, the colored lashes and like all these two-tone colors. No, I just kind of wanted to sit down and do it. So don't come at me saying that I was the one that like kind of created it, because I didn't. I'm pretty sure there's other artists that have done it before. So I'm going to go in with a highlighter. You guys are going to see how nice this looks. Since I'm kind of doing the two-tone eye look, I want to kind of do like a two-tone lip. So I'm going to go in with the House Laboratories. This is in the shade Hot Rod, and it's like a nice, super neon pink. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime. This is in the shade Fluorescent Cherry, and I just love this. So I'm going to go in with this, but I'm going to be adding this on the bottom, like inner, like kind of like a Korean kind of K-beauty kind of tone. So I'm going to just kind of add this here. Then with the Fluorescent Cherry, we're going to kind of add that like that neon yellowy gloss on. Kind of open it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, you guys. It was so much fun just to kind of sit down and do my makeup. I love this look so much. I feel like it's very artistic for me. I just like it. It looks different and it's fun, you know. So thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and a like. It was the same thing, right? And a comment down below, like that YouTube knows you guys are enjoying my videos and recommend it to any other people that will enjoy this kind of content. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. And I also made a TikTok, so you guys can go ahead and follow me on TikTok. Even though I'm not like the best TikToker, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. Thank you guys so much, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this look. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and be part of my little family. It's a little tiny one, but it's cute, and I love all of you guys who actually watch my videos and constantly comment down below. I notice you guys. I know exactly the ones that are always commenting. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys next time.